Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world.
Yes, sir.
And English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press U.K. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today, I am going to start unit number 23. In this unit, I am going to teach you how to use be. It means is, am, are, was, were, and have and do in present and past tense in our day-to-day life. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 23. Be, have, do in present and past tenses. Section A. Be. It means am, is, are, was, were plus ing. For example, cleaning, working, etc. Am is are plus ing is used in present continuous tense. For example, please be quiet. I am working. It isn't raining at the moment. What are you doing this evening? Now, was, were plus ing. This structure is used in past continuous tense. For example, I was working when she arrived. It wasn't raining, so we didn't need an umbrella. What were you doing at 3 o'clock? Now, section B. Be plus past participle. For example, cleaned, made, eaten, etc. Am is are plus past participle. This structure is used in passive present simple. For example, I am never invited to parties. Butter is made from milk. These offices aren't cleaned every day. Was, were plus past participle. This structure is used in passive past simple. For example, the office was cleaned yesterday. These houses were built 100 years ago. How was the window broken? Where were you born? Section C. Have, has plus past participle. For example, cleaned, lost, eaten, been, etc. Have or has plus past participle. This structure is used in present perfect tense. For example, I have cleaned my room. Tom has lost his passport. Kate hasn't been to Canada. Where have Paul and Emma gone? Now, section D. Do, does, did plus infinitive. Clean, like, eat, go, etc. It means we use verbs first form. Do, does plus infinitive. This structure is used in present simple negative and questions. For example, I like coffee but I don't like tea. Chris doesn't go out very often. What do you usually do at weekends? Does Sam live alone? Now, did plus infinitive. This structure is used in past simple negative and questions. For example, I did not watch TV yesterday. It didn't rain last week. What time did Paul and Emma go out? Now it's time for exercises. 23.1. Write is, are, or, do, does. Number 1. Do you work in the evenings? Number 2. Where are they going? Number 3. Why are you looking at me? Number 4. Does Ben live near you? Number 5. Do you like cooking? Number 6. Is the sun shining? Number 7. What time do the shops close? Number 8. Is Maria working today? Number 9. What does this word mean? Number 10. Are you feeling alright? 23.2. Write am not, isn't, aren't, or don't, doesn't. All these sentences are negative. Number 1. Tom doesn't work at weekends. Number 2. I am very tired. I don't want to go out this evening. Number 3. I am very tired. I am not going out this evening. Number 4. Gary is not working this week. He is on holiday. Number 5. My parents are usually at home. They don't go out very often. Number 6. Nicola has traveled a lot, but she doesn't speak any foreign languages. Number 7. You can turn off the television. I am not watching it. Number 8. Lisa has invited us to her party next week, but we are not going. 23.3. Write was, were, did, have, has. Number 1. Where were your shoes made? Number 2. Did you go out last night? Number 3. What were you doing at 10:30? Number 4. Where was your mother born? Number 5. Has Laura gone home? Number 6. What time did she go? Number 7. When were these houses built? Number 8. Was Steve arrived yet? Number 9. Why did you go home early? Number 10. How long have they been married? 23.4. Write is, are, was, were, have, has. Number 1. Joe has lost his passport. Number 2. This bridge was built 10 years ago. Number 3. Have you finished your work yet? Number 4. This town is always clean. The streets are cleaned every day. Number 5. Where were you born? Number 6. I have just made some coffee. Would you like some? Number 7. Glass is made from sand. Number 8. This is a very old photograph. It was taken a long time ago. Number 9. David has bought a new car. Now 23.5. Complete the sentences, choose from the box and put the verb into the correct form. Damage, rain, enjoy, go, pronounce, eat, listen, use, open, go, understand. Number 1. I am going to take an umbrella with me. It's raining. Number 2. Why are you so tired? Did you go to bed late last night? Number 3. Where are the chocolates? Have you eaten them all? Number 4. How is your new job? Are you enjoying it? Number 5. My car was badly damaged in the accident, but I was okay. Number 6. Kate has got a car, but she doesn't use it very often. Number 7. Lisa isn't at home. She has gone away for a few days. Number 8. I don't understand the problem. Can you explain it again? Number 9. Mark is in his room. He is listening to music. Number 10. I don't know how to say this word. How is it pronounced? Number 11. How do you open this window? Can you show me? This is the end of unit number 23. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 24. Till then, bye bye.